What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to channel Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. Today I am on my way to work, but I have got my RBW skull installed, as you can see here, kinfolk. Man, oh man, I took it for a little spin last night, and anarchy mode is insane. You can definitely tell the difference between all the modes, and so we're gonna go through them this morning and just kind of give you my first impressions as far as the difference, because last night all I did was rode it just up and down the street real quick. I didn't do anything. It was late, so I didn't get to do a good ride on it, but we're gonna try it today. So right now, like I said, I mean, you've got 5 different modes. Right now it's straight up and down, which gives you just normal, like the device isn't even on the bike, man. So what this device is going to do is it's going to give you the ability to go through different modes on your Harley, man. The Pan American already has it built in, and of course all your, you know, like my son's BMW, that thing had it already, had different modes in it. So this just gives you the ability to be able to add it to any Harley with the fly-by-wire electronic throttle. So, which is dope, man, because it gives you rain mode, city mode, normal, sport, and then anarchy mode. Holy cow. And let me tell you, I've got this other camera pointing down at my throttle hand just to see if I can catch the to see if you can actually hear the difference. You can hear it too, like in anarchy mode I could hear it, like the exhaust, I could tell the difference in the tone in the exhaust. But we're gonna go to rain mode, so that switches all the way over. And again, in order for this to switch, it's on the fly, but you have to actually make sure that your throttle is at 0. If you got it going and you've got the throttle, if you're on the throttle, let's see, listen. See how it takes a little time to catch up? I'm rolling my hand, but it takes a little time for the, so in rain mode it's going to take a little bit of time for the motor to actually catch up to the throttle position, right? So this doesn't affect, it's not a tuner, man, and that's the cool thing, is that it doesn't affect anything on the bike except how fast the throttle percentage wise gets up to 100%. You know what I'm saying? So again, we're in rain mode, so I'm gonna try to see if we can catch it again. If you take note of where my wrist is, the position of how my wrist is, I'm gonna try to do that for each mode and try to get as close to that as possible with each one. And then hopefully, like I said, you can hear, hopefully you can hear the difference in the tone of the exhaust. The rain mode's real, it takes a while for it to get up there. So let's go to city. That's the next position there. Here we go. It seems, you know, it's a little quicker response. Let's move over here. So now we're at 60. I'm gonna roll on it. You know what I'm saying? It's a little bit quicker, man, a little bit quicker. So let's go to normal mode. So this is just like if I don't have anything, right in the center. Right in the center. So this is just like the stock. And like I said, man, this can be added to any motor, even if you've got motor work done to it. RBW skull can be added in there, man. This is my personal opinion, man. If you've got a built motor and you don't want to use all that power all the time, I mean, you can tone it down. You know what I'm saying? You can tone it down just by adding the RBW skull to your Harley, man. So it's really, really freaking dope. It's made in Italy. They make amazing products. Mr. Sal, who brought the product to market, man, his experience is all in tuning with Harley, so he knows what he's doing. And But again, this isn't a tuner, okay? So, and it does not, the other cool thing is, does not affect or void the warranty. Okay, so we're still in normal. So let me go to, yeah, so I still got the torque, man. So the torque too is delayed a lot, right? Whenever you're, especially if you're in rain mode, the torque is delayed. Because the lower end, man, on these M8s, the torque on the lower end is amazing. So let's go to sport mode. And you can change it with your thumb if you wanted to. So now we're in sport mode, 47 miles an hour. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell. Sport mode is way different. Yeah, yeah, you get it a lot quicker. I want to get it from, see, the only thing is I'm not going to be able to get it from another stop. Let me see if I can get slowed down a bit, though. Oh, man, the low end torque, look at it. I don't know if you can tell my hand. I'm barely giving it. We're in third gear. Barely giving it some throttle, man, and that thing is jumping. I don't know if you can see it, kinfolk, but we're in fourth gear, fifth gear. Let me drop down. Try not to get fucking killed by all these stupid drivers. Yeah. 56 miles an hour. Yep. You can definitely tell the difference. That's sport mode. This is good. This will be a good riding around, man. Like between this and like inner city, I would probably do the city mode. You know what I mean? But like out on the highways and stuff, I would definitely get into the sport mode and just keep it here, man, because it gives you a good response to get, like if I wanted to get in it, I could just get in it and it's quick, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, man. I'm telling you, the difference, you can tell the big difference in the lower end of the torque. Yep. All right, now let's get into this anarchy mode, man. Anarchy mode is balls to the wall, baby. So y'all better be ready. Actually, I mean, I better be ready. All right, we'll let this truck get over. All right, I'm gonna give her a click. Now we're in anarchy. Fifth gear. Can y'all hear it? Holy cow, man. Sheesh. It's putting me back, kinfolk. And like I said, it's not a tuner, man, so it's not changing any kind of values in the motor itself, fuel, air ratio, none of that stuff. It's just the percentage of the throttle and how quick you get there to full throttle. Wow, yeah. Still in fifth gear. Oh yeah. This thing's cruising, man. Holy cow. Anarchy mode, man, is insane. Last night when I did it at the just right there in the street, like I said, through first, man, when I was running through first, second, third, holy cow. You can definitely tell it. All right, let's go back to regular, man, like nothing. See if you can tell the difference. Or hear the difference. Oh yeah, look, it's not even throwing me back. I don't know if you can tell the front end of the bike, but it doesn't even move up at all, man. anarchy mode. Daggum. Big difference, kinfolk. So like I said, man, I think this is gonna be freaking amazing because it gives you the ability to run through different modes without even having that on your bike, you know what I'm saying? Like, and then you can turn it to the center and it's just normal. So, you know, if you let people ride your bike or whatever, you can turn it back to that, or even put it in rain mode if they're not as experienced, so they don't have that much torque on the bike itself, man. It doesn't let them get all of it, you know what I mean, all at once. And then also the good thing about anarchy mode is that when you do cut the bike off, once you cut the bike off, it will reset automatically. Even if it's still in that position, it will go back to normal. So you'll have to reset it. You have to go back to the center and then go back to anarchy mode for safety reasons, right? It doesn't start back off in anarchy mode. This weekend we're going to install one on the brother-in-law's as well, because you know he's got the Street Glide. So the Street Glide it installs a little different than the Road Glide. The Road Glide it just installs right under the gauge cluster right here, and it's just all plug and play, man. It comes already with the tune, or you know, with the tune in it or whatever, and it's already there. So whenever you get it to put it in, you don't have to do anything but plug it in. It's amazing. And hopefully I can get with Mr. Sal and actually do a live stream with him. So if any of y'all have any questions about anything, he can give you the answers directly, you know what I'm saying? But if I remember correctly, he did tell me like each one of these has a different map for it, right? So, and you can reset it within 10 seconds as far as changing the map. I just don't know, I don't remember exactly how to do it, so I'm gonna find that out. And then I don't know, you know, how you exactly know what map is on there. So, but I'll find out, and like I said, we'll do I'm gonna do a lot of videos on this, man, a lot. Even on the higher end, man, the torque is insane on freaking anarchy mode. So killer. Let's go back to sport. Yeah, see, I think normal riding for me, man, every day to work, this is the mode I'm gonna be in, because it gives me a little more than stock, right? My motor is stock, just 2019 Road Glide Special. I haven't done anything to it as far as the motor wise, and so riding highways, man, back and forth to work, I think it's gonna be great in the sport mode. Like I said, it gives you a little more, but not insane like anarchy mode. I'm about to be to work, man. Go to their website. Everything will be linked down below. Check out their Instagram, and let them know Knuckles sent you when you go to this stuff, man. That way they know that my video is actually reaching people and helping them out, because he's trying to, he does have a distributor here in the US and out of New York. So I'm trying to help him spread the word about this awesome product, man. This thing is pretty freaking dope. Like I said, I'm gonna be riding with it. My brother-in-law's gonna be riding with it, so we can do a lot more videos on it and let you know, the nitty-gritty about it, man. So, but yeah, go check them out. Everything will be down below. Give them a follow. Let them know Knuckles sent you, and we'll catch you on the next one, man. So until then, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.